Welcome back to my channel. The last time we discussed equation with fraction. Today we are taking it a step further to equations involving word problems. Let's see how to solve this question. 1/6 of the sum of twice a number and 1 is the same as 1/4 of the difference between 3 times the number and 1. Find the number. Solution. 1/6 of the sum. 1/6 is 1/6 of the sum of twice a number. We don't know that number. We assume that the number should be x. Twice means 2, which will give us 2x. Of a number, twice a number and 1 is going to be what? Plus 1. Is the same as 1/4 of the difference. Is the same. Is equal to the same. 1/4 is 1/4. Of the difference between 3 times the number. That same number is 3 times, which is this, and then the difference of 1. This is what we have. 1/6 will multiply everything in this bracket, and 1/4 will equally multiply everything in this bracket. So we have 1/6 times 2x, we have 2x/6. 1/6 times this, you have plus 1/6. 1/4 times this, you have what? 3x/4. And 9 times this, you have minus 1/4. 2x/6 minus 3x/4 equals to what? Minus 1/4. This becomes what? Minus 1/6. What we have here, we can divide this. 2 goes here, you are left with 1, and 2 goes here, you have 3. So we have x/3 minus 3x/4 equals to minus 1/4 minus 1/6. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. And 3 divided by 12 is 4. 4 times x, you have 4x. 4 divided by 12, you have 3. 3 times this, you have minus 9x. Moving to the other hand. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 4 divided by 12 is 3. 3 times 1, you have minus 3. 6 divided by 12 is 2. And then 2 times minus 1, you have minus 2. So we have 4x minus 9x/12 equals to minus 3 minus 2/12. Find the LCM. This one, the LCM is glaring, is 12. So multiply through by the LCM. Meaning this first fraction should be multiplied by 12 and the second one should be multiplied by 12. So we have 12 into bracket 4x minus 9x close bracket over 12 equals to 12 into bracket minus 3 minus 2 all over 12. 12 will go, 12 will go. You are left with 4x minus 9x equals to 12 here 1 and 12 here is also 1. Open the bracket, you have minus 3 and then minus 2. So we have this minus this, you'll be having minus 5x equals to minus 5. Now, dbs by minus 5. So we have minus 5x divided by minus 5 equals to minus 5 divided by minus 5. Minus cancel minus, automatically becomes positive. 5 will go in 5, you have 1. X is left alone, and the same here we have 1. So therefore the value of x will be 1. Thank you. So see you in our next class. If you have any question or comments, you can go to the comment section. You can either drop your questions or what topic you want me to solve.